So hey team, we're got a new inventory system here. It's going to be a little bit more complicated in the past, and we're still getting it up and running. So it's going to take a little bit of time to get it going a little bit more fluid than it is. But for right now, everything is in inventory. So if you take anything, you have to make sure that you take the tablet off the wall, turn it on, go into the Stock and Inventory app, open it up, and before you take anything out of the storeroom, you're going to have to go to New Outgoing. Oh wait, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And you're going to go to Add, and depending on what you take, is going to be dependent on where you look in here. You can either search per item up here in the top bar, or you can search by kind of like categories. So say we want to take IV stuff, since that's pretty popular. You can click on the IV stuff. Say we're going to take a liter of saline. Click on the 1 liter of saline, and you can hit 1 that you're going to take, or if you're going to take 2, you would type in 2. And then you hit OK, and then you're done. And that's how we're going to have to do for everything. We did put barcode scanners throughout the stock room, so you can also find the item on the sheet for right now and scan it with the computer itself. And how you do that is you hit the barcode scanner, and say we want to take 14 gauge IVs. Let's see here. Scan it with the barcode, and it'll automatically pop up 14 gauge IVs. And what you're going to do is tap on it, and you're going to hit the quantity that you take and hit OK, and then you're done. So we're going to have to do this for every item that you take, whether it's blood tubes, IV stuff, airway stuff. If you take a box of gloves, not individual gloves, but a box of gloves, all of the airway stuff, no matter what it is, you have to put it in the computer and say that you took it. If you have any questions, just give me a call, shoot me an email. I will totally walk you through it if you're here and you're very confused. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.